Good day, class. We want to continue our topic of set theory by solving this problem. So during 1 year in a school, 5/8 of the students had measles, 1/2 had chickenpox, and 1/8 had neither. What fraction of the school had both measles and chickenpox? So we want to solve it. We can solve this problem in 2 ways. But let me solve it using the simpler method, by using the formula method. 5/8 of the student had measles. Let's represent M with measles. So number of M is 5/8. 1/2 had chickenpox. Let's represent C with chickenpox. So number of C, that's 1/2. And 1/8 had neither. That means the number of students that are not in the that did not have any of the disease. The what fraction of the school had both measles and chickenpox. Let's represent that with X. So we represent it with number of measles intersection chickenpox. Let's represent that with we don't know. That's what they asked us to find. So we can use the formula method of number of measles union chickenpox by number of measles plus number of chickenpox plus minus number of measles intersection chickenpox. But we're giving 1/8 had neither. That means the total number of a set, when you are giving a fraction, if you are giving in percentage, the total number of people in the set, the population in the set will be 100% if you are giving in percentage. But if you are giving in fraction, the total number will be just 1. And we're told 1/8 had neither. So we subtract it from 1, which is the total, minus 1/8. So the remaining people that had chickenpox and measles will be 7/8. So we have number of measles is 5/8. Number of chickenpox is 1/2 minus. So let's represent this one with X. Number that had both measles and chickenpox. Let's represent it with X. So 1 minus 1/8. Anytime you are subtracting a fraction from 1, the simpler approach is to say 8 minus 1. That will give you 7/8. So we can find the LCM of 8 and 2. LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. 8 in 8, 1. 1 times 5, 5. 2 in 8, 4. 4 times 1, 4. Minus X. So 7/8 equals to 5 plus 4, that's 9/8 minus X. So we can calculate X. If the negatives comes to the left hand side, it becomes positive. If 7/8, which is plus, comes to this side, it becomes negative. That's minus 7/8. So X will be 9 minus 7. That's 2/8. And that will give us 2 here 1, 2 in 8, for that 1/4. We can also use the Venn diagram to solve this problem, but we have used the formula method. See you in my next video. Bye.